we're now moving to part C of our solution. We've worked out part A and part B. Now we are at part C. What are you supposed to do? Is to find the square root of 95,481. This one. Okay, what do? The same procedure. We mark the numbers into groups of two digits. So I will put the first demarcation here, then the second demarcation there. We don't have the third group, so we have two groups. The first one is this one, the second this one. We do that from the right, not from the left. Okay, we do that from the right, not from the left. Then here we have this last digit, which is alone. Now we have to ask ourselves that which number when multiplied by itself gives us a number which is close to 9 or equal to 9. Close to 9 or equal to 9. So there we go. That is 3. So put here 3. We put 3 on top of 9. 3 times 3, this gives us 9. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Okay. 9 minus 9, what do we get? Nil. There is no number. So what do we do next? We drop the second group, which is 54. The second group, which is 54. We ask ourselves the same question, that which number when multiplied. Okay, now double 3. Okay, double 3. This gives us 6. So we shall write 6 as the first digit on the divisor side. Here is 6. Then let's look for the second digit, which when we put here and we multiplied by what we put here will give us the answer, which is 54 or less. Okay, so if I put 61 in the here one, we shall have 61. 52 minus 61, you get negative. So the smallest number we can put here is 0. So we have our 0 here, and we put 0 there, such that 0 times 0 gives us 0. Then 0 times 6 also gives us 0. Subtracting, here we get 54. Subtracting, we get 54. So since 54 was not able to give us the exact answer up there, now we are dropping the second pair, which is 81, to make it 5,481. Okay, so now we have two digits on top. This is 3, this is 0. Let's double this amount. Let's double these two digits. What shall we get? Shall get 60. So we put our 60 here. Then let's look for the third number to put here, so that when you multiplied by the number on top here, will give us a number which is close to this one. And which number is that? Let's look at the last digit. The last digit there is 1. To get 1, there are two options. Number 1 is 1 itself. Okay, so you put here, if you put here 1 and there 1, then 1 multiplied by 601 will give a number which is far less from this one here. So which other number? The second option, which can give us 1 at the end, definitely number 9. So we put here 9, and we put there also 9. 9 times 9, this gives us 81. Okay, so we write, okay, since there is 0, it is 81. Then 9 times 6, this is 54. Okay, if you subtract here, we get nil. So what does it tell us? That the square root of 95,481 is 309. 309. You can cross-check this answer if it is correct using your other means. Okay, here we are told without using mathematical table calculator, but you can hide yourself somewhere where people cannot see you. We shall not see you. then try to find out if the square root of this one is this, or else multiply this one by itself and see if you're getting that. Okay, allow me to continue with the part D, solution D. So I put my solution D somewhere here. D, we're supposed to find the square root of 73,981, the square root of this number. The same procedure, group the numbers into two digits from right. There we are. Now we are left with only one number, which is 7. Let's ask ourselves that which number whose square gives us a number which is close to or equal to 7. If I say 3, I get 9. So it's 2. So I put 2 here, then we put 2 on top of that one. On top of 7, 2 times 2, this gives us 4. If you subtract here, we get 3. Okay, then don't have the linear square root of 3. So we drop 39 as the first pair. We bring 39 down. Then what is next? Since it's a square root, we double this number. We get a number which is 4. Then let's look for a number which, when we put here as the last digit and multiply by that last digit, will give us a number which is equal to or close to 39. Okay, how do we get 9? There are two options. Either it is 3, okay, or it is 7. So if we try 3, put here 3, put there 3, okay, you get 3 times 3, 9. Then 3 times 4, this will be 12. That number is less. So the second option, let's try 7. And put there 7. Okay. Multiplying this one, this is 9 carrying 4. Okay. Yes, 49, we carry 4. 28. 28 plus 3. Subtracting here is 0. We get 10 here. Okay, we get 10. Here is nil. Then let's drop now the last pair, which is 84. On top we have 27. Now double 27, this gives us 54. 54. Let's look for the digit to put there, such that when you multiply the resultant number by the last digit, which we shall put here, to give us a number which is equal to or close to that one. There are only two ways you can get 4, either 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. So let's put 2 here, and we put 2 there. 2 times that one, we get 84, 10. Okay, minus this is nil. So what does it tell us? That the square root of 73,984 is equal to 272. That is 272. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to be with you in the next video.